Most robots we see at company presentations move very slowly, and their movements are somewhat awkward. Of course, there are advanced robots that can walk properly, and even play the violin. But walking and running is a challenge for most of them. Engineers from the Nagoya Institute of Technology in Japan have aimed to solve this problem by creating a running robot. The fact is, the engineers decided to bypass the complexity of creating mechanical legs and simply attach steel spring plates. With these, the robot can be taught not only to run, but also to jump, land, and just walk. Essentially, there is a significant chance of successfully solving this problem. Even now, especially in slow motion, you can see that the robot moves really human-like. It even falls in a way that looks very human, almost as if it feels pain. We hope that the robot will eventually learn to maintain balance, and in some time, it will outperform its creator and professional athletes in running. The mechanized elephant in Nantes, known as the Grand Elephant, is a major attraction at Les Machines de Lille, a unique cultural and artistic project on the Isle of Nantes. Created by the French theater company La Machine, this project draws inspiration from the works of Jules Verne, Leonardo da Vinci, and the industrial heritage of Nantes. The Grand Elephant is an enormous mechanical structure made from wood and steel, standing 12 meters high. It can carry up to 50 passengers on its back for a 30-minute ride around the location. The elephant mimics realistic movements and can spray water from its trunk, providing an engaging and interactive experience for visitors. In addition to the Grand Elephant, Les Machines de Lille features other notable installations such as the Marine World's Carousel, a giant carousel showcasing various mechanical sea creatures, and the Heron Tree, an ambitious project under development that will allow visitors to walk among branches populated with mechanical birds and insects. The American company RealBotics creates humanoid robots using advanced technologies and a meticulously detailed manufacturing process. Initially, a three-dimensional model of the robot is created, encompassing all aspects of appearance from facial features to body structure. Special modeling programs are used to achieve a high degree of realism. Next, the robot's face and skin are fabricated. High-quality silicone is used to create the face, which is processed and colored to closely resemble human skin. The formulation ensures a realistic feel and appearance. Then the robot is assembled. Complex mechanisms are integrated into the robot's head to enable movement and emotional expression. The face and other body parts are attached to a base comprising various modules. After assembly, artificial intelligence integration begins. The robot is equipped with a powerful processor, enabling it to perform complex tasks, such as image recognition and speech processing. Built-in cameras and microphones ensure high-quality data input and output. Finally, the robot undergoes configuration and testing. It is programmed to perform specific actions and interact with people. Thus, the process of creating humanoid robots at RealBotics involves designing, modeling, fabrication, assembly, AI integration, and thorough testing, resulting in highly realistic and functional robots. Here is another triumph of robotic technologies: a performance by a female robot on stage. Robot creators continue to amaze us more and more. The latest model of a female robot, HRP4C, captivates audiences with her stage performance. The singing and dancing robot is now quite comparable to live performers. A video of the dancing female robot quickly went viral on the internet. In just a few days, the clip of the robot on stage was viewed by several million people. This success was the result of the creator's achievements in both hardware and software. Teaching a robot to dance is a very complex task. Although the clip of the dancing female robot doesn't feature particularly intricate choreography, programming even such dance movements has been an extremely labor-intensive task. However, the creators of the robot named HRP4C managed to tackle this challenging task perfectly. As for the technical details, the HRP4C robot girl operates under the real-time operating system ART Linux, developed by the Human Robotics group at the AIST Institute. She stands 158 centimeters tall and weighs 43 kilograms. Her movements are powered by 30 motors, and an additional 8 motors control her facial expressions. If you think that Chinese and American engineers only create ultra-realistic humanoid robots, then you're greatly mistaken. How about creating ultra-realistic animatronic dinosaur robots? These dinosaurs are so realistic that they even played several leading roles in the Jurassic World film series. An important role in the creation of these animatronic giants was played by the American company Creature Technology, which is the world's leading manufacturer of animatronic dinosaurs that amaze with their realism and size. At the vast Creature Technology factory, dinosaurs are born as if they are coming back to life. The process begins with meticulous research and model development based on paleontological data. A team of specialists, including engineers, artists, and animators, works on every detail to create the most realistic creatures possible. The first step is to create the dinosaur's skeleton using modern 3D printing technologies and complex mechanical structures. Then muscles and skin are added, made from special materials that mimic the texture and movement of real flesh. Special attention is paid to details such as eyes and teeth to give the dinosaurs a lifelike appearance. In the warehouse, you can see various types of dinosaurs come to life, from fearsome tyrannosaurs to gigantic diplodocuses. These creations are used in museums, theme parks, and exhibitions around the world, eliciting awe and wonder from viewers of all ages. Creature Technology creates not just mechanical puppets, but real animatronic monsters that move, roar, and look as if they have truly come from the distant past. Visiting this factory allows you to peek behind the scenes and see how modern technology and specialist craftsmanship bring to life the most majestic creatures that ever roamed our planet. The Japanese company Mitsubishi has developed the MWR, designed for performing various tasks on the walls of high-rise buildings. The robot is equipped with a multi-jointed arm with 7 degrees of freedom, created by Yaskawa Electric, enabling it to perform complex manipulations at great heights. The primary application of the robot is automatic window cleaning, but its functionality can be extended to other tasks such as external inspections, painting, ceiling replacements, and other maintenance work. The robot's dimensions are 3.2 meters in width, 94 centimeters in depth, and 2 meters in height. It uses an industrial manipulator mounted on a platform that can move horizontally, providing a wide range of motion and surface coverage. Thanks to the ability to switch out working tools, the robot can adapt to different conditions and types of tasks at height. American robotics specialist has truly astonished the world by creating a robotic hand with a high number of degrees of freedom and an appearance indistinguishable from a real human hand. According to the engineer, the actual work of creating such a hand took several months. This device has 24 degrees of freedom, and the fingertips are equipped with special feedback sensors. Currently, the robotic hand is not controlled by artificial intelligence but by a human using a special glove. In the video, the robotic hand skillfully writes letters and plays the piano. The realism of the hand is simply mind-blowing. It is indeed a very complex and almost perfect device that could revolutionize robotic technologies. Unfortunately, they did not show the hand picking up larger objects, but we hope that the manipulator is already capable of that. One of the key robots developed under this project features sophisticated sensory and motor systems, enabling it to handle intricate manipulation tasks that require human-like dexterity. This robot is designed to enhance the capabilities of service robots, making them more efficient and versatile in various applications by mimicking human arm and hand movements. By incorporating advanced technologies such as 360-degree sonar detection and multi-axis arms, the DexSmart project aims to push the boundaries of what service robots can achieve, particularly in environments that demand a high level of dexterous manipulation. The Japanese company THK has developed a service robot named Seednoid. This robot is part of the Seed Solutions platform and is designed to perform various tasks in the service and industrial sectors. Seednoid is equipped with 7-axis manipulators for high flexibility and precision movements, as well as built-in sensors such as laser rangefinders and depth cameras, which ensure accurate navigation and interaction with the environment. The robot has the ability to autonomously learn and adapt to different working conditions. Seednoid's modular design facilitates maintenance and component upgrades. This humanoid robot can perform a variety of tasks, ranging from assembling small parts to interacting with people in service scenarios such as retail or healthcare. South Korean engineers have developed the informational robot Maro III, designed to provide informational services in public spaces. This robot is a continuation of the successful Maro series and is intended for interacting with people in shopping malls, airports, hospitals, and office buildings. Maro III is equipped with a touchscreen for user interaction, as well as various sensors and cameras for recognizing and responding to questions. The robot offers a wide range of services, including building navigation, answering frequently asked questions, and providing current information integrated with various systems. Maro III can also be used for advertising and marketing purposes, informing users about products, services, and special offers. This robot showcases the high level of competence of South Korean engineers and contributes to improving customer service quality and institutional efficiency. The British company MetaMasks specializes in the development and production of ultra-realistic masks that can deceive even the most attentive observers. These masks are made using advanced technologies and materials, such as silicone and high-precision dyes, allowing for masks that closely resemble real human faces. The production process includes several stages. First, a digital model of the face is created. Then, a silicone mold is formed, which accurately captures all facial features, including wrinkles, pores, and skin texture. After that, the mask is hand-painted, adding an extra level of realism. The company's specialists pay special attention to details such as eye color, hair texture, and even expression lines to ensure the final product looks as lifelike as possible. These masks have a wide range of applications. In the film industry, they are used for creating special effects and makeup, allowing actors to transform into different characters without the need for complex computer modeling. Such masks are also in demand in the fields of security and forensic science for conducting covert operations and experiments. However, these masks also raise certain concerns. Due to their realism, they can be used for criminal purposes, such as disguising one's identity during the commission of crimes or deceiving surveillance systems. This presents new challenges for society in terms of security and identification. In a field demonstration video, the company Lyt showcased an innovative approach to constructing a communication tower using several of its robots. Lyt is a technology company specializing in creating robots capable of automating various aspects of construction processes. The video demonstrates how the robots interact with each other and the environment, performing precise and complex manipulations to build the tower. This includes moving materials, installing structural elements, and adhering to strict safety standards. Each robot is equipped with advanced sensors and AI-based software, allowing them to autonomously navigate the construction area. The use of robotic solutions significantly increases productivity and reduces risks for workers, making such technologies increasingly sought after in modern construction. But it's not just South Korea that has begun the widespread implementation of humanoid robots in various industries. Japan is also a leader in this field with numerous promising developments. For example, the Tetra MK5 robot can also perform the duties of a bartender, much like its Korean counterpart. The movements of the robot can be controlled by a human operator using the Master Maneuvering System module. The operator receives tactile feedback and images transmitted from the robot, displayed on an HTC Vive virtual reality headset. Additionally, there are special gloves and servo motors that allow the operator to control the robot with precise movements and applied force instantly. The robot is capable of good balance, including standing on one leg while performing various movements. The Toyota THR3 robot stands about 152 centimeters tall and weighs around 75 kilograms. It serves as a test platform, but the concepts and capabilities implemented in it can eventually be used in devices working in domestic environments, medical institutions, construction sites, disaster-stricken areas, and even in space. A German startup has begun producing grandchild robots for nursing homes. Seniors in the German town of Albershausen in Swabia have a new robotic friend named Emma. The robot has become more than just a machine for this people. It is like a real grandchild. The 70-centimeter robot belongs to the Munich-based startup Naval Robotics, which manufactures robots for nursing homes. The robot can establish eye contact and, based on facial expressions, determine how the other person is feeling. Currently, Naval Robotics robots are being tested in several nursing homes. For many elderly people, the talking child robot is a reminder of when their children were young. The brain of such a robot is based on artificial intelligence. It can, for example, tell jokes, listen to residents' life stories, and ask questions. It is amazing how open and curious the residents are towards the robot Emma. She is cute and responds very well to people, and often people want to pat her on the head. Naval Robotics plans to launch these robots into mass production after the trials. It is expected that they will be sold in pairs for 48,000 euros. Reflex Robotics showcased its humanoid robot designed to assist workers with repetitive tasks at MODEX 2024 in Atlanta. During the startup's demonstration, the robot took requests from spectators and retrieved food and beverages from a shelf. Reflex's in-house design consists of a torso connected to a wheeled base that enables its sensors and arms to move up and down. The design also allows the robot to reach shelves at various heights and maneuver through confined spaces. According to the startup's website, the humanoid can complete various tasks, including beverage packaging, cutting in a wood shop, warehouse palletizing, closing boxes and picking totes from shelves. The startup added that users can remotely operate robots up to 3,000 miles away. Reflex's website mentions that customers can pay a single hardware cost for the robots. TechCrunch quoted the startup's CEO and co-founder Ritesh Raghavener, saying the system's price point is under $50,000. Raghavener added that the robot is nearing human-level productivity, with a current human-to-robot ratio of 1:1. However, the startup hopes to achieve a 1:2 ratio in warehouses and deploy hundreds of robots globally in 2025. The startup recently raised $7 million in a funding round that included Khosla Ventures, Dropbox, and Cruise. The company Unlimited Tomorrow is focused on developing and producing 3D-printed robotic prosthetics. One of their most well-known products is a robotic arm prosthesis called TrueLimb. TrueLimb is a fully customizable and functional arm prosthesis that is 3D printed. It features high precision and the ability to be tailored to the specific needs of each user. The prosthesis is controlled using myoelectric sensors that detect electrical signals from the muscles in the remaining part of the arm. These signals are converted into movements of the prosthesis, allowing the user to perform various actions such as gripping, lifting, and manipulating objects. One of the key features of TrueLimb is its affordability compared to traditional prosthetics. The use of 3D printing significantly reduces production costs, making the prostheses more accessible to a larger number of people. Additionally, the process of customizing and fitting the prosthesis is simplified through the use of advanced scanning and modeling technologies. Engineers from the University of Tokyo have released a video featuring their humanoid robot Musashi, sitting in the driver's seat and operating a 2012 Toyota Comms electric vehicle. The researchers aim to present an alternative future where you don't need to drive your car. Not because it drives itself, but because a robot is at the wheel. Musashi is a musculoskeletal humanoid developed by the research team in 2019 as a testbed for control system training. Musculoskeletal in this context means that the robot accurately mimics an average human not only in height and weight, but also in body structure. In the humanoid's head are two high-resolution video cameras, one for each eye, which can move similarly to human eyes. Its five-fingered hands turn the steering wheel according to the training software and sensor data, and can also engage the handbrake, turn the ignition key, and operate the turn signals. The robot's nimble feet can press the brake and accelerator pedals as needed. The project team has equipped the vehicle with a Wi-Fi router and an Intel NUC personal computer, which runs a module for image recognition of the surroundings and a servo motor. In the future, all this technology is expected to be integrated into the humanoid robot's body. Which would you prefer? A car with no steering wheel and an autopilot, or a humanoid robot at the wheel of your car? The Korean company Naver Labs, in collaboration with the Korea University of Technology and Education, has developed an advanced robot named Lim's III ambidex. Ambidex is equipped with a robotic hand called the BLT gripper, which can change gripping methods to perform various tasks such as washing dishes, peeling vegetables, and catching flying objects. The cable-driven system used in ambidex operates with electric motors that control the tension and movement of the cables. This allows the robot to move with high precision and adapt to changes in the environment. One of the key features of ambidex is its ability to learn through demonstrations. Engineers have developed a tactile device that enables the robot to replicate human movements by capturing the parameters of motion and force. This allows the robot to perform complex tasks after a single demonstration, using the data collected during the learning process. The Japanese company NEC announced that it has succeeded in creating a prototype flying car. With a roar, the 148-kilogram helicopter-like prototype, measuring 3.9 meters in length, 1.3 meters in height, and 3.7 meters in width, lifted itself 3 meters off the ground and hovered for several minutes at the NEC test location. It is equipped with 4 rotors and visually resembles a large quadcopter. However, calling it a car is somewhat of a stretch. It has 3 small wheels, so discussing its road maneuverability or ability to achieve high speeds is premature. A video shows the NEC flying machine briefly taking off. The ascent is accompanied by the noise of the propellers and the wobbling of the body, so the flight can hardly be called stable at this stage. After the tests, the Japanese engineers are not ready to report that the machine can maintain stable flight. However, the fact that it lifted off the ground indicates that there are huge development prospects in this field. Few people can boast of seeing the world through the eyes of a turtle, but thanks to the author of the YouTube channel Monster Mike Fishing, we now have that opportunity. Usually the guy deals with fish, but lately, he has switched to turtles. He simply attached a GoPro camera to a red-eared slider turtle and sent it swimming in a pond with other turtles. To ensure the turtle returned, he motivated it with some tasty fish. It's amazing how much the guy trusts the turtle, letting it swim freely with such expensive equipment. But we think as long as he keeps feeding the turtle and its friends tasty fish, there won't be any issues with its return. The footage turned out to be really beautiful and captivating. Let's hope the blogger conducts more such experiments, as long as no animals are harmed. Recycl Robotics, a leading company in AI-powered waste sorting technology, has developed an advanced robotic system that significantly enhances the efficiency and accuracy of recycling processes. Known as Recycl Robotics, this system utilizes Recycl Vision, an AI-driven vision system that can identify, pick, and place recyclable materials with exceptional precision. The robotic system can perform up to 55 picks per minute, vastly increasing the throughput of recycling facilities. It is also designed to be 75% lighter than traditional robotic waste pickers, making it easier and more cost-effective to install and operate. Kibo is an advanced humanoid robot developed by the Korea Institute of Science and Technology. This robot is designed for research in social interaction and communication with humans. Kibo stands out due to its cartoon-like face, capable of expressing various emotions, making it more appealing and understandable to users. The main goal of developing Kibo is to create a robot that can effectively interact with people in various situations. It is equipped with 43 degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform complex and precise movements. This enables it to walk, move its arms, turn its head, and perform other actions that mimic human movements. One of Kibo's key features is its ability for autonomous navigation. The robot can move through different spaces without the need for constant operator control. Kibo is also capable of recognizing and processing voice commands. Thanks to built-in microphones and speech processing systems, the robot can understand what people are saying and respond appropriately to commands. But it's not only the military that has begun the widespread deployment of robotic dogs. The New York Police Department has also started the process of mass deployment of DigiDog robots to patrol the city. Mayor Eric Adams is confident that technology on the streets is necessary to ensure people's safety. Therefore, DigiDog robots, manufactured by Boston Dynamics, will patrol the streets of New York. The mayor stated that the use of DigiDog can save lives. In his speech, he noted that certain activists were against this idea. Adams assured that he is seeking the best options for the city, which is why this decision was made. The initial use of these robots by the NYPD sparked a negative reaction from the public. In 2020, DigiDog was used by special services inside a building where an armed terrorist had barricaded himself. In 2021, the technology was also used in a case involving lawbreakers entering a home. Subsequently, the public criticized the use of such robots due to concerns about privacy violations. DigiDog, known as Spot, is remotely controlled and developed by Boston Dynamics, which is owned by Hyundai. It is used for activities in dangerous situations, checking high-risk zones and locations for human threats. It also conducts precise monitoring of construction sites. Boston Dynamics promotes its use as a public safety tool, though many experts criticize it as a potential danger to humanity. The Chinese company RealMan Intelligent Technology has developed a multifunctional robot with dual manipulators, designed to perform various tasks in industrial and service applications. This robot is equipped with two 7-axis robotic arms, each capable of lifting loads up to 5 kilograms. Its compact and flexible design allows it to work efficiently in different environments. The RealMan robot is equipped with various sensors, including laser rangefinders, depth cameras, and ultrasonic sensors, providing accurate navigation and obstacle avoidance. Key features of the robot include the integration of depth vision sensors, audio modules, and a mobile chassis with wheels and active suspension for stable and precise movement. The robot's modular design facilitates easy maintenance and upgrades, making it a versatile solution for performing complex robotic tasks. Applications of the robot span industrial automated processes, healthcare, and smart retail environments, demonstrating a high degree of adaptability and functionality. Lyt Aircraft continues to strive to make air transportation as simple and accessible as possible for the average person. Its most notable development to date is Hexa, a compact electric drone lifted into the air by 18 rotors. The company claims that the device can be operated without a pilot's license or prior training, using only voice commands. A full battery charge is sufficient for 15 minutes of flight at cruising speed. If the pilot does not land within that time, the aircraft will automatically descend and land without human intervention. If one or several motors fail, Hexa can still land smoothly using the thrust from the remaining rotors. While the simultaneous failure of all rotors is highly unlikely, it is still possible. For such a scenario, Lyt Aircraft engineers have equipped Hexa with a ballistic parachute to prevent it from crashing. The maximum flight height is artificially limited to prevent interference with other aircraft and ensure their safety. This is one reason why no special pilot's license is required, making the entry barrier to flying the Hexa drone extremely low. Lauren V is a hexapod robot developed by the Fraunhofer Institute in Germany and is the fifth version in the Lauren series. It is designed to perform tasks in hard-to-reach and hazardous areas for humans, such as scientific research, rescue operations, and other scenarios requiring high mobility and stability. The robot is equipped with 6 legs, each with 6 degrees of freedom, allowing it to navigate effectively over complex and uneven surfaces. Lauren V is outfitted with various sensors, including cameras, laser scanners, and force sensors, enabling it to navigate its environment and perform precise manipulations. These sensors help Lauren V collect terrain data and detect objects or hazards, which is particularly crucial during rescue operations or research missions. The FZI Research Center for Information Technology's House of Living Labs developed Holly, an advanced service robot designed for various complex tasks. Holly stands 142 centimeters tall, with an adjustable shoulder height ranging from 96 to 124 centimeters, thanks to its active torso. The robot boasts 49 active degrees of freedom, enabling highly dexterous and precise movements. Equipped with a 360-degree sonar detection system, Holly can autonomously navigate and interact with its environment. Its cameras provide artificial vision for object recognition and interaction. Holly's bimanual manipulation capabilities allow it to bend and reach the floor, performing tasks that require delicate handling. Originally known for roles like a robotic bartender and pastry decorator, Holly is also capable of assisting with healthcare tasks and various service-oriented applications. The robot's development aims to achieve human-like dexterity and enhance human-robot interaction in everyday scenarios. The Japanese company Tetra Aviation has developed the Tetra MK5 flying car, representing an advanced solution for personal air transportation. The Tetra MK5 is a single-seat vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle designed for participation in the Go Fly competition sponsored by Boeing. In 2020, this vehicle won the grand prize of $1 million. Its main features include a maximum speed of around 160 kilometers per hour, a flight range of up to 160 kilometers, and a flight time of approximately 1 hour. Its compact size allows for use on limited landing sites, and its multi-rotor configuration ensures high maneuverability. The Tetra MK5 boasts a well-thought-out design and innovative technologies. It is equipped with multiple electric motors, enabling it to take off vertically and travel significant distances on a single charge. The primary purpose of the Tetra MK5 is to serve as a personal transportation vehicle for short trips, especially in densely populated urban areas. Another military development from the USA is a compact tactical drone that is of interest not only to the military, but also to the police. It can be useful for searching premises, negotiating with criminals, and inspecting suspicious objects. The drone weighs 1.1 kilogram and is equipped with a replaceable hybrid camera, effective even in the dark, and a microphone. Additionally, the drone can be quickly upgraded with features like a glass breaker and a tactical strobe light. The model can stay airborne for 31 minutes and comes with special goggles for first-person flight control. It has a maximum speed of 80 kilometers per hour, and for slow indoor flights, it is aided by a LiDAR system and a feature that reorients the drone if it falls. The Chinese company Clens has introduced a new model of a premium computer workstation, the J20 Gatling Battle Station, which, in addition to the necessary technical components, is equipped with treads and 2 machine guns. Both machine guns, of course, are purely decorative. The treads are also decorative and lack a separate drive, so users will need to move the chair manually. However, the tracks ensure stability on almost any surface. Users can configure the chair in any of 3 positions, allowing for work in 3 postures: sitting, reclining, and lying down. One of the coolest features of this gaming cockpit is the 4-position buttons that serve as a sturdy base for mounting. With the fully extended bracket, the gaming station reaches a height of 220 centimeters, which can be reduced to 150 centimeters by fixing the lever in the lowest position. The chair can be adjusted to a fully horizontal position, allowing for gaming while lying down. The mount is designed to accommodate either one wide-angle monitor up to 49 inches or 3 standard monitors of 29 inches each. There are also stands for the keyboard and mouse, and a white light is built in overhead. The cost of this chair is $4,200.